Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made my homemade mask without sewing. And all you need is an 18-inch by 18-inch cloth, which I cut from my scarf. I was able to cut about 8 pieces of this cloth from my scarf. As you can imagine, now I can make about 8 masks. And you also need 2 pieces of hair tie. Now let's make the scarf. What you need to do is fold it 4 times. And on each end of the scarf, you will insert the hair tie. Just like so. And then you fold each end like that. And that part, we will put it around our mouth. And the hair tie, we will put it behind our ear. And there you go. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.